Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are tackling a common Microsoft Word frustration, inserting multiple pictures into a table without ruining your document's layout. Normally, dropping an image into Word blows up the table size, but today we are setting up a grid that automatically resizes your images to fit perfectly. Let's dive in. First, open your Word document. Go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Click Table and draw out your desired grid size. For this example, let's use a 3x2 table. Once inserted, click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the table to expand it to your preferred overall size. Now for the most important step. Click the small crosshair icon at the top left corner of the table to select the entire grid. With the table highlighted, look at the top menu and select the Layout tab on the far right. Click on AutoFit and select Fixed Column Width. This is the secret setting. It locks the dimensions of your cells, forcing any picture you insert to scale down automatically. For a cleaner, more professional look, keep the table selected. Stay in that same Layout tab and click the Align Center icon. This ensures your images will sit directly in the middle of their respective cells. Finally, open your computer's File Explorer and locate your images. Place the folder side by side with your Word document. Simply click an image, drag it, and drop it directly into an empty cell. Repeat this process for the rest of your pictures. Notice how each image instantly adjusts to fit the cell beautifully, keeping your table perfectly intact. And that's it. A clean, uniform image grid in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech and productivity guides. See you in the next one.